Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to split your screen for multitasking in Windows 11. Let's begin step by step. First, open the applications you want to use. For example, you can open a browser and a document. Now click and hold the title bar of one window. Drag it to the left edge of your screen. As you move it, you will see an outline showing where the window will snap. Release the mouse button. The window will now occupy half of the screen. On the other side, Windows will show thumbnails of your open apps. Click on the second app. It will fill the remaining space. Now you can use both applications side by side. You can also adjust the size by dragging the divider in the middle. This feature helps you work faster and more efficiently. And that's how you split screen in Windows.